Follow me on YouTube, on my YouTube channel.
Show some more skin there. Definitely, I've got to have some of those.
Oh, hey there. Me, I'm just waiting around. Just a nice time after work, waiting for other people. I'm not going to work on my bike today. I'm going to work on somebody else's. Screw their bike up for once, more than I already have. My buddy's got a top end. It's shooting oil all over the place. It's a Sportster. They're bulletproof, so they shouldn't be doing that. So we're going to see if we can stop the old jugs from leaking. Yeah, grab some tools. Let's get the hell out of here. Let's see if this pile of junk will run. Whoop.
And then like link to his
Success. Do it.
What exactly did you do
It like wants to go that way.
I don't know, it won't come off. TC Custom Bros or whatever.
I think in the dealership. There's no room.
We're gonna have to cut the frame. Pretty loose, huh?
Show you how to do it.
What?
Make RC videos. Be a hipster.
This gear shit. Alright, here with Jaw.
Rastafari.
Didn't do anything. Just did every single bolt instead. Day 2.
Day 2. It's clean.
I need more people. He's doing what you do the last part of the whole thing.
you like work on bikes or something? Just side by sides. See, I'm actually learning something here. How come I can just hand tighten this whole thing in? How does that work?
Because it's sitting on something. It's beautiful. It's a cotter pin. It's like it's not even keeping the net from loosening because it's too far away from the hole. Like if you had,
Well, it's not keeping it from losing, but it's not gonna fall off.
You put a couple washers in there. Yeah, that's what I do.
Then spin it around. No, I get it.
Yeah, try and get these out. You can take this off, I guess. And that one on Get more room. Damn.
Stripping it. Sick.
Buttoned up now. All right, TV land. That bike's still leaking oil, so I got some parts I gotta bring my buddy. I think we cracked one of these bad boys. But good thing I keep everything. I hoard all my parts that I take off and change. I'm gonna rip over there and laugh at him and feel sad because me and my buddy did all the work basically and watched him screw it up. So yeah, day 55 on his bike. Whoa, 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 whoa.
What happened? You guys used a hammer.
Damn. Looks like my wiener.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Well, this should work.
Those things are tough to get on there straight anyways.
Just like that'll work. And then I also hold the whole tweak down.
What was that sound? You
What?
fart?
That was a tire
Farted?
on the ground.
Was it just billowing out before?
What?
Was it just, you could see it?
Yeah. Yeah, like right up here, like blah, 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 blah. Like bubbling out. Alright, let's go Dead Reckoning. Maybe this one.
Yeah, I think it's those ones. All right, so yeah, that was it. Not much of a video. It's hard to film and do stuff and hang out with your friends in the garage. Basically, those caps that go onto the pushrod tubes are pretty hard to seal. It took me a couple times. I even went like 3 hours north and back, and they leaked all over the place. I kept putting gasket sealer in them and what other gimmicky junk I could figure out. My buddy's probably gonna have the same issues, but I just ended up buying. Check out the video above, the link for it. But I ended up buying Hammer Performance ones. They're like old style kind, I guess, where there's not two pieces hanging on some little pin. It's just one big bracket that clamps down. I suggested to him he might do it. I'm sure he'll get tired of the leaks. They get old. So saying that, it still leaks. We'll get it figured out, or he will. I got some other stuff coming down the pipeline, and you're either gonna love it or hate it. I don't know, we'll see. But stay tuned, like, subscribe, watch all the other stuff. Go on Instagram and make fun of everybody, because it's funny.
Nosy neighbors.
Damn. Shit. So it's big tits that I like.